Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Lens, so let's start. First, you have to allow access to camera and you can upload the image that you want to look for in Google, just like this one. As you can see, it will highlight the part and you can drag it to wherever you want to find on Google, and it will give you the results on this small section, and you can just click anywhere you want. Also, you can use this with different purposes like homework, if you want to find answers, translate text, for shopping, and the places that you want to search from with the similar results it will give you. The other one that you can do is, let's take this for example. I want to search similar products to it. It will highlight the part it can detect, and as you can see, it will give us the images on Google that has a similar as this keyboard of mine. Let's take this as an example. We can copy the text from the photo. As you can see, we can paste this one to anywhere that we want to paste it from. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.